If you're creating corporate training, online courses, or just fun DIY tutorials for your channel, you've probably faced this challenge. How do I make my video not just informative, but a real learning experience for the viewer? Well, in this video, I'm going to share something that worked for me. A simple way to make your videos more effective, engaging, and actually useful to your audience. Effective learning videos are built on 4 key elements: clarity, flow, visuals, and connection, all anchored by the goal of delivering real learning. Each one adds a layer that makes your content truly stick. The first key element of an effective learning video is clarity. Without it, even the best content can feel confusing. Clarity means your message is easy to follow right from the start. Whether you're designing corporate training or teaching a concept in the classroom, your learner should instantly know what they're expected to learn. A simple, focused learning objective can make a huge difference. It keeps your content sharp, specific, and centered around the learner. The second key element of an effective learning video is one that's often missing from a lot of learning content, and that's the flow. When flow is missing, even great information can feel overwhelming. Viewers get lost, skip around, or give up. But with good flow, your video becomes effortless to follow. Start with a clear goal, then walk through your idea step by step, ending with a quick recap. It's like following a guided path where your visuals, narration, and sequence all move in sync. And when your content flows, learners stay with you, remember more, and feel more confident as they move through the material. The third key element of an effective learning video is visuals. A great learning video doesn't just tell, it shows, demonstrates, and brings abstract concepts to life. Let's take the water cycle for example. First, what it looks like using just plain text. Now, compare that to visuals guiding you through each step. Feels different, right? That's the power of visuals. They make content clearer, more engaging, and way easier to remember. And finally, the fourth key element of an effective learning video is connection. Connection means linking new information to something your audience already know or has experiences in real life. Think about this. You're sending a message on WhatsApp, something most people do every day. Now imagine doing the same thing in Microsoft Teams at work. Different app, same action. Because it feels familiar, it's easier to learn. That's the power of connection. It helps learners see the link, apply new ideas faster, and remember them longer. And there you have it, 4 key elements that truly elevate your learning videos. I hope this gave you a solid starting point to create content that's not just informative, but impactful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.